welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make one of my favorite Korean beef stew. First time kong gagawin to gamit yung Instant Pot. So first you need some beef. Ito ay pang bulalo or beef shank. So maganda yan, malasa yung magiging sauce natin. Some garlic, ginger, any sugar, brown sugar will do. Silver Swan or any soy sauce will do. Sesame oil. This will give that aroma and that distinct flavor of Korean beef stew. Then some sesame seeds, then sprinkle it later. So just stay tuned and watch how to make this easy Korean beef stew using the Instant Pot. Then, so just place your beef in the pot. I'm going to add some chopped onions too. And you need a mixing bowl. Just mix all the other ingredients here. 1/3 cup of sugar. Brown sugar is better. It's malasa. But this is like regular sugar. 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup of soy sauce. 1 cup water. 1 beef cube. Chopped onion or fresh onion if you like. 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. You need more of this later for toppings. And some crushed garlic. And some freshly grated ginger. So just mix this all together. Then just pour it over your beef. Place it on your Instant Pot. Cover and pressure cook for 1 hour. Nice, soft and tender Korean beef stew.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after an hour, I used the natural release method. So it took around 25 minutes para lumabas lahat yung pressure ng ating Instant Pot. So kung makikita nyo, bababa na tong metal na to. So ibig sabihin, clear na yan. Clear to open. Here is our Korean beef stew. Nice and tender. Nakikita nyo, nalusaw yung mga fats ng beef. Ganda. Ang ganda talaga ng Instant Pot. Ang galing. So, kita nyo naman, dumami yung sauce niya. Kahit na 1 cup lang yung nilagay ko dyan kanina na. Optional, you can also put carrots. But since wala akong carrots ngayon, yun lang muna. Ganun. Nag-render yung beef fat niya. Nice. Perfect. Napakalambot na naman ng ating beef, brought to you by Instant Pot. So, tuturo ko sa inyo yung serving niya, kung paano mag-serve ng. So, binuksan ko ulit yung heat niya para kumulo kasi adjust natin yung lasa. Kulang sa salt, ground black pepper, and some salt. Just simmer for around 5 minutes. And ready to serve na to. Pwede, you can also use garnish it with perfect.